Mastering future passive with could. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English grammar, and that's using could in the future passive voice. Understanding this will give you a greater command of English, making your sentences more varied and dynamic. So, let's get started. To make the most of this video, it's important to have a clear understanding of what the passive voice is. In passive voice, the focus is on the action rather than who or what is performing the action. For example, the book was read by John is in the passive voice. The modal verb, could, is a versatile word in English. It can express past ability, possibility, polite requests, and, what we're focusing on today, a future possibility or ability in certain contexts. Now, let's get into the meat of the topic. When we use could in the future passive, we're usually talking about an action that could possibly be done in the future. The structure we'll use is could plus be plus past participle. Let's look at some examples. 1. The report could be completed by next week. 2. The cake could be baked by this evening. In both examples, we're expressing that an action, completing the report or baking the cake, is a future possibility. Just like any other sentence in English, we can form questions and negatives with could in the future passive. For questions, we switch the places of the subject and could. Could the report be completed by next week? For negative sentences, we add not after could. The cake could not be baked by this evening. And that's a wrap on using could in the future passive. It's a simple but effective tool to express possible future actions where the focus is on the action itself, not on who's doing it. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it'll become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!